How to change my Monopoly Go account. If you are wondering on how to change your accounts and add another account, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game. Just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to the three lines at the top, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find settings option. Now tap on it. Then tap on to manage account right here. Then here you can find you have connected by the Facebook and the Apple ID. Now to change your account, you need to disconnect from them. Now simply tap on to disconnect, just like this, and tap on to disconnect once again. Now disconnect from the Apple ID, disconnect and tap on to OK. And by disconnecting from both of them, you can simply make another account, and by making another account, you can change your accounts. So this is the only way that you can change your account in the My Monopoly Go game. And that's it. This is how you can change your account in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.